What is up, RC enthusiasts? Today I got for you my brushless MN90 or MN Model D90. So yes, I have converted this to brushless. If you watched my final mods and review on this rig, I have converted this to a 2S brushless 4500 kV running truck, and it actually still crawls pretty good with that 2S. Surprisingly, I'm actually pretty surprised, and it's a sensorless motor. It's not even a censored motor, so yeah, that's one good news. So yeah, I just wanted to put out this little update video just to show you guys what I had to do to keep on running this thing and having more fun with this rig. I have been running my little 2S lipos in this thing right here in the stock location. Little 800 milliamp hour Sky Lipo that I've had for a couple years now. It does run pretty decently on that, but if I'm doing anything major like uphill climbs, you know, steady uphills, no just crawling around in a small little area or anything, when I'm actually just consistently on an incline trying to go at it, I do notice those batteries take a huge strain and they wear out super fast. So I figured, you know, what does this gas guzzling brushless rig need so I can run it longer and have more fun with this thing? Well, I came up with a solution. Pretty simple. Let me show it to you guys. Here you go. I don't know if you guys can tell. We got two covers right here, if you can see them. They're made of rubber and they're attached with some Gorilla Tape. And all this is really is a cell phone case from my Note 4, my old cell phone. I figured, you know, I can repurpose some of these things, and it was good enough to protect my cell phone and thick enough rubber that maybe it'll protect my lipo. So yeah, I made this little door right here, open on both sides. I know tons of people that have these right here, little 2S 2200 MAH lipos. They usually come with those little WL toys, 12428s and JJRC little, you know, mini twin hammer clones. These are the batteries you usually get with those, so a lot of people have these. So now I've made it to where these batteries fit in here. So yeah, the battery goes in like so. Then you grab your second one. You'd really want to have two for this just to balance it out, because these batteries are more noticeably heavier than the other batteries. So yes, those goes up like that. I don't know if you can tell, it's gonna be hard to show. Now I still need to create a little latch system right here, but all I'm gonna use is a screw for now. That's gonna possibly screw into this hole right here. And just, you know, leave it a little extended out so it'll hold that case in place, and that's what I'm going to use for now until I figure something better out. But yes, the battery cables right here, I've actually, I don't know if you can tell up there, I've drilled out a big enough hole to go into the battery tray, or the original battery tray location up here, and that's where the cables are going to run through, like so. And the cables are going to come out here at the top where they normally would go. And I have an adapter that will plug into here and convert to Dean's, and it'll split parallel into these two 2S's, so it's still going to be running 2S, but it's going to raise the milliamp hours from 2200 to 44, so that should give me some pretty significant runtime. It was a pretty simple mod, nothing too crazy. As you can tell, I haven't affected the ground clearance. It is above where it, you know, normally sits, so you still see what you normally would see. And that should give me a lot of runtime. It has made the truck a lot heavier. don't see it being too much of an issue unless you're on really soft stuff, you know. But rock crawling and stuff, it should help you out, and it was better than my solution of having that battery sitting in here in the trunk. It took a lot of space back there and looked ugly sitting back there, and also made it a lot heavier in the rear. So whenever I climbed stuff like this, it wouldn't let me go up stuff. It would just try to wheelie over things. So yeah, that's what I've done. Got myself 4400 mAh of power. And yeah, that's pretty much my update. Another update to this truck, just to show you what I've done to get better run times and produce more power for that brushless motor. Hope that helps people to get better run times and to have more fun. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to see more videos. Have a great day and go run that RC.